Today's Bible verse comes from Mark chapter 9, verse 23, King James Version. Jesus said unto him, If thou canst believe, all things are possible to him that believeth. Mark 9:23 is Jesus' declaration. Everything is possible for the one who believes, spoken to a struggling father who was seeking help for his demon-possessed son. This verse highlights that a deep trust in God's power and goodness rather than mere intellectual agreement is the key to unlocking divine ability. It emphasizes that with faith, nothing is beyond God's capability, even seemingly impossible situations, and it serves as a call to trust in His power to work beyond human understanding. Here's a breakdown of the verse and its meaning. Number 1. Context. Jesus is speaking to a father who is desperate to have his son healed from a condition that caused violent seizures. The father expresses doubt about Jesus' ability to help, asking if you can. Number 2. Jesus' response. Jesus turns the father's conditional, if you can, into an affirmation of faith, stating, everything is possible for the one who believes. Number 3. The power of belief. The verse teaches that belief, in the biblical sense, is a deep trust in God's power and willingness to act. This faith doesn't demand specific outcomes, but aligns the believer with God's will and power. Number 4. Unlocking God's potential. Through faith, believers can access the limitless power of God to work in their lives regardless of how impossible the circumstances might seem. Number 5. A call to trust. Mark 9:23 is an invitation for believers to trust in God's ability to do impossible, demonstrating that faith is the conduct through which God's power operates. Amen.